The same way I kick my freestyles, never premeditated, zoning with a weed smile. I'm California living and New York City driven. My only vices might be good weed and pretty woman. I don't know what I want, but I know I want everything. I've lit up parties out in every scene, kerosene. I'm doing what I love, the thing that people dream of. Married to this game without considering a prenup. There was no plan B, told myself I can be a superhero, make myself De Niro like I'm Stan Lee. I was a daydreamer, voted as the nightmare, packed inside a club like I don't like air. And dance all night till you sweat out all the toxins. This is that music for your body to get lost in. Forget tomorrow and learn to live the moment. Yeah, I'm zoning, I'm smoking, I'm zoning. I'm feeling good to this beat, I got a booze on my feet. Forget the rest of the week, I'm in the zone. I'm getting high as a kite, don't feel like being polite, so I'ma do what I like. I'm in the zone. I made mad mistakes, but I wouldn't reverse one. Been through so much shit that shots feel like it's from Nerf guns. Party like it's 2012, nothing can hurt me, and deal with the hangover in year 2013. Go out with close friends, wake up to total strangers, their faces swollen.